Hi! For today's work, you have 2 pages. You will have one with a flamingo, and I already cut the pieces, and we have to put them in order to see which way is correct. Does this look like a flamingo? No. How about this one? That is not correct either. Let's switch some parts up. How about this one? Does that look like a flamingo? Yes, it does. And again, if you do not know or you're not sure, it shows you a picture right here. So let's start with the feet. And this flamingo's feet is in a tub of water. So we will put that picture right there. And then we put the middle part next. Like that. And of course, the head is the top part. And you will glue that. And your flamingo should look like that. And flamingos are pink. So for you that might love pink, and pink is your favorite, this should make you happy. You'll color the whole bird pink. Do a really good job, no scrabbling. Okay, and there's a piece or a space right there where you write your name. And the next page is one that says cut and paste the sounds. There's this sound. This sound says like Henry. This sound says ch, ch, like chair. Okay, there's no writing other than your name for these 2 assignments. It's just a lot of cut and paste. So let's start. My first piece that I cut is this. That is a cherry. Does a cherry start with ch or does it start with h? It starts with ch. So here is the ch. And you're going to glue it right there. Okay? Then my next piece, if you have all yours cut up already, this is a hook. Does hook start with h or does it start with ch? It starts with h. So out of these 2 sounds, this is h. So you will put some glue on the back of this and then glue it right there. Mrs. Washington already did that, so this video is a little bit easier. This is a treasure chest. This is a chest. Does a chest start with ch or does it start with h? It starts with ch. So we are going to glue it on this section. Right there. The next picture that I have is what shape is this? It's a heart. Does heart begin with the h sound or does it begin with the ch ch sound? It begins with the h sound for heart. So we look right here. There is the h sound. Stick that right there. And if you want to color these pictures, that's fine by me. If not, it's okay. This is a cute little house. Does a house begin with ch or does it begin with h? Yes, it begins with h. So we look at these 2 sounds and we put it under the h section right there. Next picture I have is a hand. Hand. Do you hear that? Hand. We don't say chand. So hand will go under the section right there. I have now a hat. Does a hat begin with h, or does it begin with ch? It begins with h. And that would be right here. I'll tell you what, the sounds are winning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the ch only has 1, 2. Well, let's see. Let's see who's going to win. This is a picture of a chair. A chair begins with the ch, ch sound, just like a train. Ch, 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 ch. So we are going to stick it under this section for ch. Next picture I have is this. This is a picture of chain, a chain. Does that begin with ch, or does it begin with h? Chain begins with ch. And that's this sound right here, ch. So let's glue that right there. Uh-oh, it's almost the same. It's almost a tie. Let's see. Ch has 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, and h has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. I wonder what the next picture is going to be. This is a picture of cheese. Does cheese start with ch, or does it start with h? That's right, it starts with ch. So you are going to stick that on this side. Uh-oh, I think it might be a tie. Let's see. H has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. And here, ch has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. It's a tie. Let's see which one wins. This right here, do you know what that is? This is a hive, a beehive. Okay, does a hive begin with the h sound or the ch sound? It begins with the h sound. So we will look right here, and that's that sound, and glue it right there. Now let's see the last one. Is it going to be h, or will it be ch? This right here. If you remember, in my class, I would use, well, I didn't use chalk that much. Sometimes you guys use chalk, but I did have an eraser. These right here are the chalk pieces. Okay. Does chalk begin with ch, or does it begin with h? It begins with ch. Yes, chalk. So we place it right there under the ch section. Now let's see who wins. This is the h section. We have heart, hook, house, hand, hat, hive. This is the ch section. We have cherry, chest, chair, chain, chalk, and cheese. Who wins? Let's count them. Under the h sound, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Under the ch, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a tie. If your paper looks like this, good job.